I have hit 2500 rating like 5 days ago, and based on my tradition, I want to share a game with you. So I'm actually 2532 because I hit 2500 rating around 4 days ago, and I just forgot that we have the tradition of always recording a video on the rating milestones 2500, 2550, hopefully pretty soon. Who knows? Mm, yeah, I've learned a lot during this time. Like last time I hit the rating milestone of 2450, it was I think August. So we needed a lot of time to actually hit the rating. Mm, and yes, guys, I'm recording, so I might play a little bit worse than I play off recording, but I'm able to sacrifice the game for you. Mm, and maybe I'm not gonna lose. Who knows, right? Like I've closed the center now. The bishop is kinda dead. This is a very equal position in my opinion. The knight is amazing, yes, but who cares, right? I mean, he's playing white. He needs to have some type of advantage. I might try to rip him via g5 maybe in the future, assuming this pawn stays on e5. Yeah, I've learned a lot. I've learned my openings so much better. I've learned how to time manage my time a lot better. Many things. Mm, so I recommend playing Blitz to everybody. Just don't play only Blitz. Sometimes play Rapid. Sometimes learn some theory, learn some end games. Because if you continue playing Blitz, you're gonna reinforce your bad habits. So just keep that in mind. Okay. What should I just play Bishop d7 and hang mate in one? Bishop takes g5, f takes g6. Is this good for me? I mean, he's gonna go h4, h5. Pretty annoying. If I go queen to e8, he goes rook to f3, and I go h6, and I'm okay, right? Yeah, let's bring my queen now. He's gonna bring his rook. Okay, maybe just g6 to be honest, because h6, he's going to play this, and he's gonna be alright. So if I play g6, rook to h3, rook to g7, I will be fully safe. And yeah, I'm happy to play this position. Still on the 2500 rating, I don't meet many GMs, but I meet IMs and FMs, and sometimes I win with them, sometimes I lose against them. Let's think about this now. Mm, let's think about this position because we can open up the c file and create a counter attack. I think I'm just gonna go for bishop d7. Um, exactly, I'm just gonna go for bishop d7. I think my bishop isn't overloaded, it's just defending the c5 knight for now, so everything's okay, guys. Okay, I understand his idea. He wants to play his rook first and then queen to h4. But what if I just exchange the bishop for the knight? I mean, it looks too ambitious for me, to be honest. It looks too ambitious for me. I'm just gonna exchange this thing, and he doesn't have any attack later on, unless he somehow brings his bishop from c5 to f6. I don't know. It doesn't work, right? I don't see it. Maybe let's play b6 first. Let's play b6 first. We are about to exchange this bishop for the knight. So we need to place our pawns on the dark squares. Is he bringing another rook to the attack? Really? This guy wants to kill me, man. This guy wants to kill me, actually. Okay, now exchange this. This knight was too annoying, man. I needed to exchange it. And now bishop to b5, entering. Now the bishop starts to do something, which is nice. And you know what? This rook. This rook. This rook looks good as well. Rook to c7. The only thing that doesn't look well is our time. But don't worry, I'm the low time guy. I always play on low time. I'm gonna manage. Okay, rook to c2. Isn't that winning, by the way? Let's go rook to c2 first. If he goes there, I mean, I just have queen e7. I've, you know, it's not a problem. But yeah, he can go rook like, exactly, he can go like this. But what if I just go rook queen to e7? Is he gonna go queen b4 and sacrifice the queen? I'm gonna go rook c1 here, rook c2, king g3. Yeah, I think that this is his idea. So let me play queen to d7. I mean, we've got to speed up. We've got to speed up. CZ, what are you doing? Exactly. Rook takes a2. I mean, he's really gonna get close to my king now. I don't know, man. My idea is rook c1, but maybe I should have. I don't know. I don't know, guys. I'm just too low on time to figure things out. Yo, GG. Absolutely, GG. Just the time pressure took me. The time pressure, the video pressure, but you know, this is our ritual. We need to record the video on Blitz game, no matter if we win or lose. And yeah, it's difficult to play Blitz on YouTube video when I need to analyze, say my thoughts. I don't know, I felt like my middle game was amazing, but then I just blundered. Queen d6, and here has the checkmate, unfortunately. King g8, king g7. Happens. Guys, thank you for watching, and you know, next time we will see ourselves at 2550. Maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Who knows? Thank you for watching. I wish you good luck. Wish me good luck too, and bye.